Morning, engine carbon clean. We've got a VW Transporter. This one is a 2005 2.5 litre, 269,000 on the clock. Just running in nicely, this one. A lot of work the owner's done to this one internally. What I would say about this is it's running very cold. So I booked it in. There's a fair amount of smell coming from this one. Kept getting the coil light popping on and off on recent journeys, shutting down the power. Diagnostic's got a cylinder 5 pump injector valve control limit exceeded code on there. We're looking at the live data on that, and that's injector 5 is overfueling quite considerably. It was running really cold when we got to it as well. We've just about got it up to temperature enough to clean it with some persistence. Cleaning it now. That injector is still quite a way off. Now these injectors have apparently been reconditioned a few years ago. That injector 5 looks like it just needs replacing, to be fair. Otherwise everything else looks fine on the vehicle, but it is running very cold, so definitely a new thermostat on this. Get that injector 5 looked at, and hopefully many more miles to go in this one.